First step on rebuilding your toilet is check the toilet seat. Check to make sure it's tight to the bowl. If not, take the caps towards the back of the toilet seats, take a screwdriver, and you can tighten down the fasteners. Then take a 7/16 ratchet wrench or socket, pop off the caps on the nuts down below, make sure they're tightened to the flange. Make sure you check both sides. Servicing the tank, you want to make sure that water is shut off. Remove the lid, put it in a safe place, and flush the remaining water out of the tank. Use a tray or a pan to catch the water below when you remove your fill valve. When you have the nuts removed from the fill valve, put the tray up close to the toilet. Pull the fill valve up so that way you catch all that water, minimizing water on the floor. Remove the flapper or the flush valve diaphragm and put that to the side. On your new fill valve, make sure it's measured correctly for the right water level. With a cloth or a paper towel, wipe down the rims where that flapper sits. When you install your new diaphragm, connect it correctly, make sure the chain length is correct. Once done, restore water service to the toilet, let it fill up, do a couple of test flushes, and you have a new toilet.